This plant is called a potato. In this video, we are looking at the a potato leaf juice for broiler and other poultry birds. Hello, how to use a potato leaf juice for 4 kg broilers in 6 weeks. Do you want to get a maximum weight? Our average, let me say average weight of 4 kg broiler in 6 weeks. This is a hidden truth. Many farmers don't want you to know. I'm going to reveal how you're going to make use of this. This is always in the bush. You don't buy it. It's always in the bush. If you have a very big bush at your back, you can see this particular. Many people don't know about this a potato leaf juice. It's a wonderful plant that has a lot of medicinal values, and even the potato itself, that potato, because it always hang. The other potatoes are on the ground. This one hangs like fruit on the air. That's why we call it a potato. During that our early stage of life, we used to plug this potato. It has the local name in different dialects. If you don't know about it in your dialect, ask me on the comment section. I will also tell you. A potato leaf juice. That is, we're dealing with the leaf here now. Are you looking for a natural, affordable, and effective way to grow broiler fast without expensive commercial boosters? In this particular video, we are going to discover how a potato leaf juice can help your broilers gain up to 4 kg in average within 6 weeks. You also learn its powerful vitamins, minerals, and medicinal benefits, and how to use it to prevent diseases while improving health and weight gain and overall health of your poultry birds. 100% organic. Let's get there. This particular topic interests you, please give it a thumb up. We're going straight to the point so that I don't want to waste any of the time, please. May I use the opportunity also to thank all our channel members. Eunice Onwubufo, Keystone Solution Farms, Alefuna Amaka, Janet Igwe, and Ude Onyedekachi, Kwawi TV, Titilayo Taiwo, and Slow 24 TV. All of you are blessed. Most likely, between now and December, you're going to see wonderful things happening in your business. Your farm will never experience any mortality at all. You always grow from strength to strength. This year shall be your year. For the fact that you support this channel, God will support you in your business always. Thank you. Let's get to the point. If you have interest in this particular topic, give it a thumb up. Always share our video so that you have the video in your link. Not tomorrow you come back to my chat line and ask me, please, I need social video. When the video is already in the channel, if you have it in your, if you share this video, it will always be in your profile. Anytime you need it, you just scroll down, you see the videos you like. And if you always give video a thumb up, you always have that video. That video will always, most of the times, pop up so that you watch the video and that time. A potato leaves are a forgotten gold mine in poultry farming. If you're a poultry farmer and you have this a potato climb on the wall of your fence, you have a gold mine. You have an oil well in your farm also. Why many farmers rely on synthetic drugs and weight gainers? Few know about this particular common plant that is found in your backyard and in forest or bushes around your area. It contains potent nutrients and medicinal properties. That potato itself contains a lot of vitamins and proteins. It contains energy also. You can even use it to supplement some of the feed ingredients if you are making feed. If you have it in large quantity, please tell me. I will also guide you on how to use it. See the video of this particular potato. See it on the screen. You know it, discover it very well, and check around your environment whether you have it there. It always grow and grow, and the fruit is always on this potato is always on the sky. It has just like ordinary, just like cocoyam. It's all on the roof. So what you do, plug them. That fruit itself is wonderful. It can help you to reduce the cost of your feeding livestock animals. When you slice them and dry them, or even grind them also, it's going to work for you. Use it to feed your livestock animals also. So this particular medicine will help you hit market weight earlier and reduce costs and improve immunity of your poultry and livestock animal. In today's video, which I'm delivering now, I'm going to give you 12 vitamins, minerals, and health benefits of this particular wonderful leaf, and how it can help you to achieve average weight of 4 kg broilers in just 6 weeks with ease, no stress at all. And at the same time, you are going to maximize your profit, because when you achieve the market weight on time, you sell on time, reduce the cost of feeding your poultry animal, because they convert the feed efficiently and effectively. You get massive results from your little investment. Top 12 vitamins, minerals, and medicinal health benefits of a potato leaf juice for broilers. One is vitamin A. Vitamin A boosts eye health and support immune function in poultry and livestock animal. It has vitamin C, which enhances disease resistance and improves stress recovery. It has vitamin E, which improves fertility and strengthens immune response in poultry and livestock animal. It has calcium, which builds strong bones and improves skeletal development. It has iron, which enhances the blood cell formation and oxygen circulation. It has magnesium, which supports metabolism and improves energy use in birds and also four-legged animals. It has potassium, which balances body fluids and prevents leg paralysis. Zinc it has also, which speed up wound healing and supports skin and feather health. It has natural antioxidants, which protects internal organs and improves gut health. It has anti-inflammatory agents, which reduces risk of respiratory infections like CROD. It has antimicrobial properties, which fight off bacteria, fungal and viral diseases. It has natural growth promoter, which improves feed digestion, feed oxidation and boosts feed conversion ratio effectively in poultry and livestock animals. How do you use this? Go inside that bush where you have it, pluck the leaf, up to 500 grams of that leaf, just handful of it, very well. Wash it thoroughly. After washing it, slice it very well. After slicing it, put it in your mortar and pestle and pound it the way you see us pounding this particular one. After pounding it, the next thing you do is just add 1 or 2 liters of water to extract the juice completely. Make sure you squeeze it out well, very well. Extract that juice, put the juice in a container and keep it. Then if you want to feed your poultry, feed them with the food. After feeding them, then use this juice, dilute it with extra 10 liters of water for 200 birds. Serve them, let them drink all completely. After drinking it, then you give them normal water. Do this for 3 to 4 consecutive days or 2 to 3 days in a week. You're going to get amazing result, wonderful result that will amaze you in your poultry and livestock farming. You are going to get what you never even imagine. A potato juice is more than just a backyard plant. It is an organic game changer in poultry and livestock farming. With its rich vitamins and mineral profile, diseases can run away from your poultry house, and it fights diseases with power and growth boosting power ability also. It can help you raise heavier broilers faster, saving you money and improving your profit within a short period of time. Don't ignore what nature has placed at your fingertips within your backyard. Try it and see the results you are going to get. Let me know on the comment section if you have the plant within your area. Please let me know on the comment section, or if you have known this plant before, let me know on the comment section also. If you have the seed, the fruit itself, let me know and let me tell you what you can use the fruit to do in poultry to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. The cost of feeding now is very expensive. A bag of feed now ranges between 22 to 28,000. In some areas, it's up to 30,000 naira. So this fruit, that potato alone can also be used to drop the cost of feeding your poultry animal. Do you want me to develop feed formula for you? Do you have it in your area? Let me know. If you have it, let me know also, so I can develop feed formula for you. Once I develop the formula, you get it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For now, share the video, subscribe and activate the bell to so that you get updates on this particular topic and every other topic. Subscribe to our both channel so that you get the best. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.